What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so we're going to tell you what's in the shop, but today we're coming to you from the office in the new Gibsonia store. So we're just about open, probably another month or so of construction here. We're going to be doing a full walkthrough video on this shop. A lot has happened since the last one, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay alert watching for that video. We're going to go back to Latrobe and show you what's actually going on. It's lunchtime, as you can see here at Blackout. So in the tint bay, we usually have something here, but since it's lunch, we don't. We have one other vehicle getting tinted, though. This is a Super Duty, and we're tinting the entire cab all the way around. So over here on this half of the world, we've got a Porsche Cayenne Coupe. This one got a ceramic coating. This is an Expel Fusion coating with wheels off. I believe it is done and ready to go home. We have a Toyota Sequoia. This one's here getting detailed, and you may have seen online that we're not detailing anymore. We're still finishing up the appointments that we had, and the reason we're not offering sort of the general cleanup detailing anymore is we don't have enough physical space to do it. We have so much paint protection film and window tint and ceramic coating going on that there's really nowhere to do the detailing anymore, so something had to go. In the wash bay, we've got a Porsche 911. This one's here for paint protection film on the front end, as well as that rear impact area. We're going to replace the OEM piece. This car is going to be tracked a lot. That's pretty much why the owner bought it, so he wants to make sure he gets it protected before he does that. And we have a Trail Boss Silverado. This one's here for ceramic coating. Jimmy is in the process of polishing that before the coating goes down. That's getting a Ceramic Pro Gold package. The GMC Terrain Denali, this one's getting a full wrap with Expel paint protection film. The challenge with this car is there's not patterns available for the back half of it, so everything basically from the doors back has to be done as a custom bulk install, what we call it. And you guys are familiar with the TDI Cup Edition Jetta at this point. If you watch our videos, this one is just about ready to go home. We got to finish detailing the interior, and then it can leave. And Austin is doing some touch-up on this C7 Corvette. This one got the full front end protected with Expel yesterday. It's almost ready for a cleanup and final look over. Outside, we've got my GT4 and a brand new S-Class. These things are sexy. S-Classes are always awesome. Interiors especially, they're just absolutely gorgeous. They have updated door handles now, similar to a Model S, where they actually pop out of the door when you get close to them. This one was here for paint protection film on the whole front. Hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. They got window tint, I believe, last week as well. This one's from our friends up at Smale Mercedes-Benz in Greensburg. If you need a Benz, that's where to get it. SRT Hellcat Challenger. We've got some exciting news about a Hellcat Challenger coming up, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see what's coming up regarding a Hellcat Challenger, and it's not the one that I ordered, that's the Charger. This one is here for an annual inspection, and they also wanted to add Expel Stealth on the hood. All right, so we've got two Audi A6s here this week. One of them is for window tint, one's for an annual inspection. I think this is the annual ceramic inspection. I think the window tint one's out front. This Honda CR-V is here for a mini detail package, so that's a general quick cleanup. This big, beautiful Dodge Ram 2500 is here for paint protection film. The whole front end is done. So all those grille pieces that you see, the fender flares, the bumper, the hood, of course, and the fenders, it's all protected with Expel Ultimate Plus. We also tinted the windows, and it's getting a ceramic coating. Another cool Dodge, this one's a T-Rex. We did a couple things on this. So there was a piece of paint protection film on the rocker panel that didn't dry quite right, so we went ahead and took care of that. And we installed these TRX badges. This usually says Ram. We removed Ram and installed the TRX badges. It looks pretty cool. This F-150 was here for window tint. Another tint job for right after lunch for this Nissan Rogue. I say it every week. There's a Tesla here every week, and that's the truth. So this one's a Model Y, and it's here for an Expel Fusion coating. We love Teslas. Bring us all of your Teslas. If you haven't checked out our video on the Model Y review, I actually have one, and we did sort of like a 6-month review on that. So make sure you go check that out on the channel. And out front, we've got another Audi. This one, I believe, is the one that's here for window tint, and a C8 Corvette. If we don't have a Tesla, we have a C8 here. Most of the time we have both. This one's getting a full Expel wrap. Believe it or not, that's our most popular package for C8s. It's a full wrap and a ceramic coating on top. This one got XR Plus window tint as well, so that's a film designed to stop lots of heat from coming into the car. And behind me, last but not least, we've got a really, really big, beautiful F350, and this truck was back for an annual inspection. I want to say this is the 4th year for this thing, 3rd or 4th year, and you can see that there's some micro scratches from washing and things like that, but overall, the gloss and depth of this thing is still very, very impressive. It's extremely shiny multiple years after the coating's been installed. That's it for what's going on in the shop this week. If there's anybody watching this looking for a job in our area, please make sure you email us at josh@blackoutempire.com. We're always looking to hire people. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet. We will see you next week.